Best free Telegram and YouTube channels for entrance examination, Neetpg, inic and FMG. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rishikesh. I have secured a rank of 314 in this year Neetpg exam. This was my intern attempt. And in this video, I will discuss the best channels, the best YouTube channels, the Telegram channels that helped me during my preparation phase, and you must consider these channels too. So listen to these 8 to 10 minutes and you will come to know the best channels for your preparation phase. I have discussed first 5 best Telegram channels, then 4 most of the important channels, YouTube channels that you must consider in sequence. So coming to the video, first we will see the 5 best Telegram channels. So the first group is regarding PSM preparation, and also friends, I have searched this group, all the groups that I will be discussing, I have searched in my search bar of Telegram and click the screenshot of that and attach to the respective pages so that you can easily find that group. So this group is by Dr. Kashish Grover sir, PSM by Dr. Kashish Grover, and in this group sir shares a lot of things regarding PSM section, and the most important is the flashcards, because there are a lot of topics in PSM that are somewhat confusing, and in these flashcards sir made these topics very simple and you can easily learn from these flashcards only. Friends, sir also conducts quizzes, MCQs, previous year questions with their explanation in this channel. And we know there are a lot of updates in the PSM section, and there are certain controversies associated with PSM topics. So sir is very well known to explain these updates and controversies. And there are some learning tricks also explained by sir in this channel. So you must consider this channel for your PSM preparation. Now friends, coming to the second channel, and this channel is by Dr. Preeti Sharma ma'am, and this channel mainly focuses on the pathology and micro part. And also in this channel you will see a lot of quizzes, previous year questions and their explanation, and ma'am also puts targets, weekly targets in this channel. So if you are someone who wants daily basis target or weekly target, you can join this channels. And ma'am conducts quizzes, as I said, and some of the PDFs that ma'am conducts some live sessions on YouTube, then ma'am shares the PDF on this channel. So you can consider this channel for your path and micro preparation, because you know that Preeti ma'am is very much famous for micro and path preparation, and this channel is made by her only. Now friends, coming to the third channel, and this channel is consisting of mixed subject MCQs and previous year questions. And in this channel basically you will get high yield MCQs and also their explanation part written in the text only. So you can learn from the explanation also. You can also give the MCQs a test, daily basis test and the previous year questions with the high yield, focusing on the high yield MCQs. So you can also join this channel. The name is Medical Garage, and you can see I have written the name also, so you can search in your search bar and get this channel, and also consider for your MCQs preparation and previous year questions with their explanation. Now friends, coming to a channel that is mainly dedicated to previous year questions, as we know that how much important are previous year questions for us, and if some of the quizzes are conducted in the form of previous year questions, that will be very nice for us. And this channel is mainly for this thing, and it consists of the previous year questions of all the subjects, the mixed subjects. So you can consider this channel for your PYQs practice, and this channel is basically by the name of PYQ channel, Neetpg and EMS. So you can consider this channel for your PYQs preparation, and a lot of PYQs are posted here on a daily basis from the last 5 to 10 years of each of the examination, of each of the entrance examination that we give, mainly the Neetpg, inic and FMG. Now coming to the last channel from the Telegram section, and this channel is regarding Ops Gynae preparation, and the name is Ops OBGYN with Dr. Deepti Bahal. And in this channel ma'am shares a lot of quizzes, MCQs, previous year question with their authentic explanation. So you must consider this channel for your Ops Gynae preparation if you are someone who wants to see MCQs in their phone and iPads on regular basis, and you can join this channel for your Ops Gynae part. So friends, these are the best 5 channels from the Telegram section. Also there are other channels that are useful, but these channels you must consider for your preparation. If you want, then comment me, I will make another video of rest of the channels, but you must consider these channels for your preparation. And now we will see the 4 most important YouTube channels for your preparation phase. Friend, the first channel is basically the channel which shares one-shot sessions for different subjects, and the channel is basically by eGurukul coaching, and this channel posts one shot sessions free on the YouTube channel, and these sessions are really good. I have shared some of them as main source for your preparation phase in my subject-wise playlist strategy for your Neetpg, INI and FMG preparation, and you must consider these sessions. These sessions are short sessions and basically covering a lot of content for your entrance examination, and these are freely available on YouTube. You can watch them and click their screenshot and make PDF for further learning. So the first channel is one shot sessions by eGurukul, and the channel name is basically eGurukul, and I have named the main content that I use during my preparation one shot session. So you must consider these sessions for your preparation. Now friends, coming to the channel that I used a lot during my preparation. Actually, I can say that this is the most searched channel by me during my preparation phase. And this is none other than channel, an academy channel for Neetpg, INI and FMG. Friends, in this channel, lectures from each subject in a very exam-oriented way from very well-known faculty of the coaching institutes are posted, and you can watch them free of cost. For example, in this picture, I have shared a picture and I have searched liver tumor unacademic clinics, and you can see that lectures from different faculty. For example, Dr. Zainab Vora ma'am and Dr. Saurabh Dixit sir, and these are very good lectures for your entrance examination preparation. I have personally used them, and whenever you find difficulty in any topic during your preparation, you can come here and search the topic and write Unacademy, and you will see lectures from different faculty, very well-known faculty. Now friends, coming to the next channel, and this channel is by Dr. Nikita ma'am. This channel I used for mnemonics parts and the previous year question in the form of a video, the radiology questions, the image of the day questions that I used during my preparation. And these mnemonics are really useful. The mnemonics of the chromosome number mnemonics, the splints, cast and other instruments mnemonics, and also the mnemonics of the HLA mnemonics. There are a lot of mnemonics that you can use for your preparation phase. And these mnemonics are really useful because your main aim is to remember the topics also. Because in the entrance examination, you have to mark the correct answer, and for that, mnemonics are must to remember the volatile topics. And I have used personally these mnemonics. You can also consider them for your entrance preparation. Now friends, coming to the last channel from the YouTube section, and this is by the name of Dirty Assembly. Actually friend, this channel I have used during my undergraduation days also, and in my internship phase for the preparation of entrance examination. Friends, in this channel, videos from different subjects are posted in the form of mnemonics, various learning tools that helps to remember the volatile topics. I have used this channel to remember the volatile topics and the topics that I find difficult to remember. And you can also consider this channel for your preparation phase. These are free of cost and will surely help in your preparation phase for entrance examination. So friends, these are the channels, the best channels that I used most often during my preparation. Also, I have used other channels, other YouTube and Telegram channels during my preparation phase, but these are the must and best for your preparation phase. If you want another video covering another channels, do comment in the comment section. Friends, in this video, I have shared the channels for entrance examination preparation. I have also used other channels during my undergraduation phase for my theory preparation and for my practicals, especially the practicals and Viva Voice preparation. And these channels are really useful, free of cost, and coaching institute will never take place of these channels for sure. So for coaching institutes, there is a separate place, and for these YouTube channels, they are separate place. You can easily use these channels for your preparation and especially for your practicals and your entrance examination. And if you want a separate video covering the theory content and for the undergraduation part, I will make a separate video. Do comment in the comment section. So this is all for this video friends. If you like the video, do share and subscribe this channel. We will meet in another video. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.